Welcome, here I've got Huawei Mate 10 Pro and let me show you how to change speed of slow motion video recording at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording our slow motion video by simply tapping on the big center shutter button. To change speed of slow motion, let's move up also to this small center button. When we tap here, we get access to slider with speed. We are in 32, we can pick also 8 and 4, so you can stay on whatever you need. Let me show you also that in 32 we have this button here also at the center up to turn on and off motion detection, so this is a kind of tool to improve our slow motion. And in 8 speed, as you can see, we don't have it, and also in 4, so this is only available in 32. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.